Hey guys, today I'm finally unboxing my DJI Osmo Pocket 3 Creator Combo. Let's unbox it together. I'm very excited. This Creator Combo DJI Osmo Pocket 3 comes with Osmo Pocket 3 protective cover, DJI mic transmitter, a handle, a battery handle, mini tripod, some cable, and carrying bag, DJI 2 clip magnet, DJI 2 windscreen, mic for mic, and then wide angle lens, and then DJI wrist wrap. So it comes with the Creator Combo package. Let's unbox this one. Ooh, this looks super sleek and premium, guys. I will open it from here. Let's open it and see what we get inside. Oops. Is it gem? Ooh. A bag. Okay. And the holder. And some stickers. Okay. Alright, and that's it. Now let's open this bag. Ooh. Wow. This looks awesome. Okay. Wow, this looks sleek. This is the camera. Let me open this. Wow. Okay. So I'm gonna start it later. Okay. For that, no. Wow, this looks sleek. Wow. Okay. I've got this microphone, DJI microphone, and tripod. Wow, that's quick. And a wire. Mic puff. Wow, the string. Ayan, mic kapati. Let me fix this one. Wow. This is awesome. It also comes with a magnet. This should be the magnet for the mic. And a wide lens angle. Wide lens. There it is. And that's it. DJI Osmo Pocket 3 comes with this Creator Combo. I'm gonna enjoy doing the vlogs with this. Honestly, this feels like a complete vlogging package, and I think I can get more from this. Alright, I'm very excited. Now I'm gonna start vlogging with this beautiful combo. I'm gonna see how it comes, and guys, stay tuned. I'm gonna take more and more vlogs with this Osmo Pocket 3 Creator Combo. Let's start this once before I